What up guys? Today we are going to be reviewing the Nike Dunk Low SB Polaroid collab. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys do, you guys can go ahead and hit the like button to show some support. It will get this video across and it will be recommended to other people so they can watch the video and it'll help this small channel out. So if you guys want to do that, I really do appreciate it. I was able to get a hold of these sneakers. They should be dropping here soon on the Nike sneakers app. If they haven't already, let me know if you guys hit on these. Let me know if you guys are going to pick these up. Hopefully I can help you out in making the decision whether you want to pick these up or not. I am going to be throwing them on feet, of course, and we're just gonna kind of go over them. I'm not gonna go into a crazy in-depth detail review. I'm just gonna kind of let you guys know how I feel about the shoe. I thought it was a very funky and dope sneaker to pick up. So without any more talking, let's get started and let's crack these things open. I just want to say thank you though to everybody that's been subscribing to the channel. Thank you guys. I appreciate all the love and support that you guys have been showing. It motivates me to make in the next video and the video after that. So huge shout out to you guys for liking the videos and commenting and sharing your opinions. I appreciate every single last one of you guys. So here is the box, and of course it's gonna be in your quick strike box. That very nice, beautiful, colorful box, just like the sneaker. The sneaker's gonna be very colorful. Let me get this out of here, man. And here is the shoe, guys. Here is the price tag, all that good stuff. I do go up a half size on Nike Dunk SB lows. On highs, I can't go up a half size. I gotta stick to a true 9. But on the lows, for some reason, that puffy tongue and all the padding around the ankle area, it makes me go up a half size. I mean, I could stick to a 9, but I feel like it just puts so much pressure on top of my foot, and then my foot starts hurting. I don't know if that happens to you guys. Let me know if that happens to you guys, but I usually tend to go up a half size if I can. But look, it doesn't have a suggested US retail price. I just noticed that right now. But I do believe these are going to be dropping for $110. If I'm not mistaken, correct me if I'm wrong. So here is, like I said, the quick strike box. Here you guys see it. We are going to crack these open. So let's get into it, man. Whew. And there it is, man. You didn't even have to peel any paper. The sneaker is already right here. And one thing that I did see on these is that it's going to come with a lot and lots of laces. You guys should have this little YDM sticker right here. When you guys do get your pair, I do see a lot number right here on this box, right here on the little inside of the flap. I'm gonna throw that aside, move the box away, and here we do have them. Looks like somebody might have already tried the green laces on, or these things came undone. You got white laces, you got blue laces, you got green laces, you got red laces, you got orange laces, and you got some yellow laces. I guess like a blazing yellow or a orange yellow lace. And these the reason why you're getting all these colors is obviously on the Polaroid brand has these colors. It's part of the branding, so that's why you're gonna get these colors. If you guys did not know, you guys could look that up. And of course we all know and love those pictures that you have to shake in order to get the picture out. I know my daughter has a lot of fun with that. But man, dude, this sucks that my laces came all jacked up like this. Let me get this undone and then we'll go over the sneaker, because I can't really review the sneaker with these laces just all over the place like this. Let me get this out of the way. And I am going to be going with all black laces. I feel like it's only right to go with black laces right now. I do think that a lot of these laces here that it comes with are going to be laces that are going to just freaking make the sneaker pop, dude. Like, the shoe's going to look nice. No matter what lace you choose, it's going to look very nice, because of course on the swoosh you are going to have the Polaroid color branding stuff on the side. So you're going to have the colors on the side. There you go, and then you have it over here as well. So materials are pretty nice, man. Pretty nice materials. Not gonna lie, this nubuck or suede is very nice on the upper. And I know a lot of people don't like those all white bottoms, but I don't really care for it if they get dirty. I never clean the soles of my sneakers after I wear them. I just don't care. But there's a lot of people that are not gonna wear white outsoles. For me, these are a sneaker that you gotta throw on feet, man. I gotta throw these on feet soon. I feel like Nike Dunk lows, specifically SBs, I throw on feet right away. They just look so good, especially when you're a shorter guy. These things just look way better. They look so good, man. I feel like the materials are on point. Everything is good on this shoe. You guys will have this little red button right here for when you record or when you take the picture or whatever, I guess. It's right here, or a little play or record button. Pretty cool on the outsole. And you got this black pod. All pretty much, for the most part, it's an all white outsole. But this shoe is nice, guys. Hopefully I'm not missing out on anything. There's the tongue right there for you guys. Check that tongue out. Very nice. Little Nike SB tongue. And then on the insoles, you guys are gonna have some funky insoles that are gonna have different colors, just like the branding on Polaroid. So that's cool that Nike decided to partner up with Polaroid and do this collab. I think that man, I think it's a very great collab. Y'all let me know down below in the comments. You already know SB Dunk lows, dunk highs, SBs, they always got some story to tell. Very nice, man. Here's your outsole, guys. Very colorful. Very colorful sneaker. It's not like anybody's gonna see your insoles. It's not like anybody's gonna see your insoles, but it's always a good touch when Nike does stuff like this. It's always nice. You know, they add a little extra since sneakers aren't the cheapest things to buy. It's definitely a luxury. But y'all let me know what you guys think. Let me know if you guys are gonna pick these up. Let me know if you hit on the sneakers app, if you pick these up and you're gonna keep them. Let me know if you're gonna flip them. Let me know what your plans are. Is this a shoe that you guys are gonna go out of your way for? Let me know in the comment section. I like this attention to detail right here. Y'all see this right here? Some more of the Polaroid branding on the sneaker. Very cool shoe, man. I like it. I like this white part on the heel right here. I'm gonna throw these on feet for you guys. You guys let me know how you feel about these shoes. Let me know if you guys are going after them. Like I said, I appreciate every single one of you guys that has subscribed, that has hit the like button. It goes so far and it just means a lot to me. We are such a small channel that whenever I see the channel growing like this, it really does make me proud of you guys and myself for all the work that we've been doing together for the last couple years. So I just want to say thank you guys, and let's get these things on feet. It's your boy Jay. Saludos, hasta luego. I'll catch you guys on the next video. Stay tuned. Peace.